What's up, guys? We are back with another excavator review video. We're doing the 75G. 75G has the paddle tracks. I don't like the paddle tracks because they make a mess. It's got the Deere emblem right here. 75G United. I don't really like United. This panel that opens up. We have the DEF. And all that good stuff in there. And now we have AG Levesque Excavator, my dad's brand, Deere logo. There we go, that's opened up. Back panel open. Hold on, I gotta set my phone down. Alright, I got it all closed up. And we have the, well, it doesn't have a really tail spin on it. Got the United 75G door blocker so it doesn't slam up against the side. This is Encon attachments. You can buy these separate from the machine. It does not come with the machine. This is the rotator, grapple bucket for logs, rocks, all that good stuff. Now this is the digging bucket, quick coupler right here. I got the ripper tooth cleaning bucket. Got good old blade right here. The boom for second and third cylinder. And yeah, so now let's get to the interior. Oh, my bad. Got a Deere emblem right here. Windshield, big old windshield actually. It actually just came out with a 75P. If you go on John Deere, check that out. Open this door up. Put it right there. Let me get up in there. Hello. Now we have the Encon joysticks. Back, forward, left, right, all that good stuff. This is the quick coupler. The key, on, off. These are the two pedals. Turn around, forward, back. This is the dozer blade, back and forth. And we have the we have the throttle, power, volume. This is where you do all this good stuff. Right, now let's open up the windshield. Let me set my phone. Sure, I'll set it right there. There we go. So we got the front windshield open. Paddle tracks, as I said, they just make a mess. I recommend if you're getting an excavator, you should get the 130P or G, whatever you can afford. And so, yep, let's get back out. And so that's how you open it. And there should, yep, this lever right here. You pull it down, push up, make sure it clings. And now we can get out. Whoa. And now to get the door open and closed, little lever right here. Click it down, close it up, and now we're good. good long boom reach on it. Now, it doesn't have a thumb on it because it would hook on right here. Oh, I got grease on my thumb. That's okay. Quick coupler, this thing right here, that comes out, then you know you're detached. Goes back in, then you're attached. Back of the bucket right here, you can hook a chain to that. Hydraulic hose. All of the bells and whistles. So, yeah. I think that is the end of the 75G review. May you guys have a great afternoon, and I will see you in my next excavator video. Bye-bye.